Hello guys, it's Mimo here from the Investing Help. Welcome back to another episode where today we're looking at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is currently trading at around 3,867. We are just above that 0.5 fib area. What we saw yesterday, we did go quite negative. We were about we almost reached 3,812 really. And our next area of support was the 0.618 fib area, just around 3,762. I think this is a critical area, which is also our December lows. If we break this area, then we can aim to go much lower in the S&P 500. But in my opinion, I don't think that will happen. First of all, looking at the RSI is approaching oversold territory at around 34. Also, I do expect March to be, seasonally speaking, I did mention this a couple of times, especially after the 15th. Seasonally speaking, it's very good for the stock market. And looking at what is happening and what we have the CPI coming out today, which is going to cause volatility, providing we get a cooler than expected figure. If we get that, then we're going to see a rally. Also, we have the FOMC next week, and that's going to be causing a lot of volatility, especially with a lot of anticipation for a 0.25 rate hike or even nothing. Yesterday, we did have a few surveys saying that the Federal Reserve might actually not do any interest rate hikes at all. So yeah, a lot of positive news for the market. I know we're still in an environment where good news is bad news and vice versa. So yeah, we could aim for the 3,928 just on that 0.382 fib area, which would be our next area of resistance. If we can break that, then we can go back and target that 50 and 200 day EMA and go back above 4,000. I still think that's going to happen within the few weeks. It's not gonna be. It could be very quickly, but I don't think it's going to be as quick. I think the market needs a lot of time to recover, and a lot of investors need to realize that the sentiment has changed, and they're willing to get back in the market. Anyway, just before we end this video, if you guys would like to join my Signal team, please feel free to scan this QR code on your screen. It'll take you to my website where you can join my Signal team for a very small fee of $28.99.